Inside the Richest Billionaires $3 billion homes. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos founded e-commerce giant Amazon in 1994 out of his garage in Seattle. He stepped down as CEO to become executive chairman in 2021. He has amassed a massive real estate portfolio across the U.S., from his home state of Washington to New York City. According to the Land Report, Bezos is the 28th largest landowner in the United States. He owns over 5 homes across the USA, from 2 neighboring Beverly Hills mansions to a sprawling estate in an exclusive Seattle suburb. Here are all the residential properties Bezos is known to own in the U.S. I wonder what it's like owning so many houses. Bezos has 2 homes in Medina spanning 5.3 acres. One home is a 20,600 square foot 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, and the other is an 8,300 square foot 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home rumored to have cost $53 million. Bezos also owns properties in Beverly Hills, California, one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Los Angeles. The first Beverly Hills house did not fit Bezos' space requirements. In 2017, he bought a comparatively modest 4-bedroom, 4,568 square foot home for $12.9 million right next door to his first house. His most recent Beverly Hills purchase is the Warner Estate. Bezos bought the 9-acre property for a whopping $165 million, making it the most expensive home ever sold in Los Angeles. The Warner Estate was designed for Jack Warner, the former president of Warner Brothers Studios in the 1930s. Bezos reportedly bought the home from billionaire David Geffen, who bought it back in 1990. Bezos owns the largest house in Washington, D.C. He bought the house at the former Textile Museum for $23 million. He is neighbors with the Obamas, Ivanka Trump, and Jared Kushner. Before Bezos' divorce was finalized, these properties also belonged to his wife, Mackenzie Bezos, as everything acquired throughout the marriage is considered joint property in Bezos' home state of Washington. It's unknown how Bezos' properties were divided after his divorce from Mackenzie Bezos was finalized in July 2019. Elon Musk. As one of the world's richest men, Elon Musk can easily afford to drop hundreds of millions of dollars on any lavish home he wants. After selling off most of his real estate assets and moving to Texas in the past year, Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk revealed in early June that he now only owns one house. His primary residence is a 50,000 square foot tiny box house that he says he rents from his rocket company SpaceX. The tiny house comes with some cool amenities like a full-size kitchen that hosts a large fridge, double sink with a view, oven, dishwasher, microwave, and shaker cabinetry. The bathroom features a deep shower tub, vessel sink, large counter, backlit mirror, and sliding glass barn door. There's also a 375 square foot living room with huge doors and windows, wide plank composite flooring, built-in ironing center, washer/dryer, heating and air, and promises ultra-low utility bills. He is currently worth $187 billion and is no stranger to millions of dollars in real estate. Musk had a combined $72 million worth of homes around the Los Angeles area. He tweeted in May 2020 that he would own no house, and true to his word, Elon Musk is well on his way to owning no house. Musk has now nearly made good on his promise to do so, selling 6 of his 7 properties. In December 2020, Musk sold 4 Bel Air properties for a combined $61.89 million. He originally spent nearly $55 million on those properties, purchasing them between 2015 and 2019. The only house I own is the Events House in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would see less use unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday, Musk said. A few days later, he confirmed he had put it up for sale. Decided to sell my last remaining house. Just needs to go to a large family who will live there. It's a special place. It remains unclear whether Musk is renting any other houses, though. Bill Gates. Bill Gates is no longer a CEO, but his time as founder and CEO at Microsoft has made him one of the most recognizable individuals and richest people in the world. His house is no different from many of the homes highlighted in this video. The mansion named Xanadu 2.0 is a stately pleasure dome indeed. The sprawling 66,000 square foot complex sits on Lake Washington in the Seattle area, in the same pampered neighborhood as the home of Jeff Bezos, making it home to some of the wealthiest people on the planet. It took Bill Gates 7 years and $63 million to construct the masterpiece. In 1988, Bill purchased the lot for $2 million, but its estimated worth now is more than $130 million. Since the house's construction, the home has 8 bedrooms, but can serve as a gathering place for the masses. Each room has touchpad-controlled lighting, music, and climate controls. The mansion has 25 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, and a dining room that can accommodate up to 200 people. Imagine getting lost inside this house. The amazing home is just one of 3 of Bill's most notable properties. He also owns a massive ranch in Southern California that he bought from fitness icon Jenny Craig. This home sits on 228 acres and was bought for about $18 million. This lot includes a racetrack, a guest house, office, veterinary suite, orchard, and 5 bars. Gates also owns another horse farm in Wellington, Florida, which he purchased for $8.7 million in 2013. His daughter Jennifer is an avid equestrian and had previously rented the house when in Florida for her competitions. Mark Zuckerberg, the 37-year-old Facebook founder, plans to work remotely for up to half of 2022, and his $320 million real estate portfolio is more than able to accommodate his work-from-home lifestyle. Zuckerberg has 10 properties across 4 locations: Palo Alto, San Francisco, Lake Tahoe, and Kauai Island in Hawaii. Mark and his wife Priscilla, with their children, live in a $7 million home in Palo Alto. The primary home is a 5,617 square foot, 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom wood-floored home on 0.41 acres, which he purchased for $7 million in 2011, the year before he got married. The house was built way back in 1903, and at first glance, you might think Zuckerberg is living modestly and not spending all of his billions like other billionaires. But that is not the case. The home's luxury shtick is that of Marvel Comics-like AI that controls the whole property. Zuckerberg retrofitted the home with custom-made artificial intelligence assistants with the voice of Morgan Freeman and a Facebook cannon, which launches gray t-shirts. He has a knack for also buying surrounding properties to ensure his privacy. Did I just say privacy? The owner of Facebook, yes, you heard me right, privacy. He bought 4 homes worth $30 million surrounding his main Palo Alto residence. He bought an off-market property in 2013, which he paid over $10 million. The property, located in Dolores Heights, is spread over an area of 5,542 square feet. He later invested another $1.6 million to renovate the home, to which he added an office, a media room, a half-bathroom, a laundry room, a wine room, and a wet bar. Zuckerberg loves Hawaii. He can't stop buying up land there. He currently owns 1,400 acres of land there. He also added a new roof, along with all new landscaping. But the big-ticket real estate item for the Facebook boss is the 2 land parcels in Kauai that he purchased for a whopping $100 million. He plans to set up 700 acres of property for extravagant family getaways. These land parcels have a 2,500 square foot spread of ocean view and an operational organic farm. The plans are to construct a 2-bedroom residence along with a 16-bay garage complex. Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. He has a whole lot of money by having a knack for getting the most out of his investments. He is so adapted to this process, and his home is no exception to this skill. In 1958, Buffett bought his home located in a quiet neighborhood in Omaha for $31,500, and he still lives there today. Now the property is valued at around $800,000, and in keeping with his reputation of modesty, the home isn't even one of the more expensive homes on the block. He says he's happy there and would move if he thought he'd be happier someplace else. It's 6,570 square feet and has 5 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. He calls it the third best investment he's ever made. Buffett is currently selling a home in Laguna Beach for $11 million, but don't worry, he didn't break the bank on that either. In 1971, he bought the house for just $150,000. Despite all of his assets, while pricey, it's still quite modestly sized for a billionaire's getaway. Despite all of his assets, Buffett chooses to live modestly. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.